Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Cape Verde almost did the unthinkable, going toe to toe with Argentina, the world champions. Argentina opened the scoring in the first half with Lionel Messi scoring, and after that it seemed like they will probably run away with the game. However, Cape Verde equalized in the second half, and Argentina were unable to break them. They played with such passion and hunger. The game ended 1-1 after the first 90 minutes, and in extra time, Lisandro Martinez scored early. However, Cape Verde equalized once again. The whole world was shocked. This team, it seemed like it was on the brink of eliminating Lionel Messi's Argentina. They played so hard. At times, Argentina looked desperate. They couldn't find answers. They had 21 shots, 10 on target, and Cape Verde's goalkeeper was on fire for Vozinha, and the whole team played like warriors. Cape Verde were not just defending, they were also attacking Argentina. They had 15 shots, 5 on target, even though Argentina had 64% ball position to 36 of Cape Verde. Honestly, it was amazing. Even Lionel Messi after the game, this is what he said. Some people might underestimate certain teams, but we knew this was not going to be an easy match. That's what makes this World Cup so special. Everything is incredibly close. Every single game is extremely difficult. And I agree with him 100%. It was going to be the greatest upset in World Cup history, with a team that qualified for the first time for the FIFA World Cup, eliminating the world champions. An island of just over 500,000 people, eliminating the great Argentina, the three-time world champions. And the third goal came from a corner with Christian Romero heading, and it deflected on the Cape Verde's player, and they were unlucky to be eliminated through their own goal. But what a fight, what a spirit. No one will ever forget Cape Verde in their first World Cup. They drew with Spain, they drew with Uruguay. This result was not just a fluke. Even Lionel Messi had this to say: Cape Verde didn't lose against Spain or Uruguay. They are a very good team. And he is right. They've made Africa proud. Africa now has only 2 teams left in the World Cup. Egypt, who are going to play Argentina next, and Morocco only. So yeah, hopefully they make us proud just like Cape Verde. Their 40-year-old goalkeeper Vozinha, who had just 50,000 followers on Instagram at the start of the tournament, has now amassed over 20 million followers on Instagram. This shows the kind of performances that he put in this tournament. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Making it into the last 32 of this World Cup is the greatest story of this World Cup. I think they are the greatest story in World Cup history. No one will ever forget them. In their debut campaign, they reached the knockout stage against some of the best teams in the world. And today, they almost eliminated Argentina. Let me hear your thoughts. What did you think of the performance of Cape Verde? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.